Ever pondered the magic behind the simple electronics around you? It's all about a trio of components: the resistor, capacitor, and inductor. First up, we have the resistor, an essential player in controlling current. The resistor does this through a simple rule known as Ohm's law: voltage equals current times resistance, or V equals Y times R. Now imagine a river. The resistor would be like a narrow channel, restricting the flow of water. In this case, the flow of electric current. Next in line is the capacitor. This component is like an energy reservoir. When connected to a voltage source, it stores charge. This charging process can be described by the equation Q equals C times V, where Q is the charge, C is the capacitance, and V is the voltage. But what happens when the capacitor is disconnected from the voltage source? It discharges, releasing the stored energy over time. This process can be represented by the time constant tau equals R times C, where R is the resistor that the capacitor discharges through. Shifting gears, we move to the inductor, a component that stores energy in a magnetic field. When the current flowing through an inductor changes, it induces an electromotive force, or EMF, resisting this change. When it comes to alternating current, or AC, inductors exhibit a special behavior. They oppose the changes in current, a characteristic defined by inductive reactance, represented as X subscript I equals omega times L, where omega is the angular frequency and L is the inductance. But how do these three components interact? Enter the impedance triangle. It's a phasor diagram that combines the resistor, capacitor, and inductor. The impedance Z is the vector sum of resistance, R, and the difference between inductive and capacitive reactance. In summary, resistors control the flow of current, capacitors store and release energy, and inductors resist changes in current using a magnetic field. Together, they create the fascinating world of electronics. Resist, store, and magnetize. That's the essence of electronics for you.